tuning into my channel. This is your host Achishman, and since all this lockdown, people are moving more towards made in India products. So I was also looking some made in India product to maintain my drivetrain because I ran out of my degreaser. Actually, I don't use the WD-40, so I ran out of my bike degreaser as well as I ran out of my loop. So after watching Vishu Bhai's video from the channel Cycle Rider Roy, I ordered the loop wipe chain cleaner as well as the loop chain loop dry finish. And in this video we are going to test out both the products on my bike's drivetrain and let's see how it works. So this you can see, this is the loop wipe chain cleaner from Loop, which is pretty big compared to the WD-40 which is available in the market, and it is also bicycle specific unlike WD-40. Always keep your bike away from WD-40 as much as possible. And the other product here is this Loop Arid chain loop dry finish. So I'll be checking out both of this product and show you how this works. And another important point is this is not a sponsored video. I bought these two products from online after watching the video on YouTube from Cycle Rider Roy, and I'll just be checking out these two how it works on my chain. And might be you get a good offer till the end of this video, so stay tuned till the end. And before I start the cleaning process, I'll wear these gloves so that my hands don't get dirty while cleaning the process. And these gloves are also sent by Loop as well in the package. अभी gloves पहनते हैं, then we'll start the process. So before starting the cleaning process, let me show you how dirty my chain currently is. This is my road bike Scott Speedster 30 and I have been riding it for last 1 month or last 2 weeks से I did not clean the chain, and see the condition of this chain. It's all dry and dirty. You can see how much grease is there on my hand, and all this dirt will make it much more interesting to test this product. Now to start the cleaning process, the first step we have to do is keep the bottle at a 45-degree angle from the ground. So the ground is taken at 0 degree and the bottle has to be tilted at 45 degree and spray it over the chain with a very low pressure. So all you have to do is apply it at a low pressure, keeping the bottle at 45-degree angle to the ground, and rotate your pedals for 4 to 5 times. Also going to spray some on my jockey wheels as well and under low pressure. And after spraying, the next thing you have to do is let it seep in for about 10 minutes so that all the grease inside the chain, it will loosen up and fall down by its, and you just have to wait for 10 minutes and then we'll go to the next step. Now since 10 minutes is over, and now let's move on to the step 2. In the step 2, you just have to take the degreaser again and keep it at 45 degrees and spray it back on the chain again for 5 to 6 rotations, but this time you have to use a medium pressure rather than a low pressure. Now after 5 to 6 rotations of the step 2, you have to take a brush with a bit bigger bristles like this. It has a bit bigger bristles than your regular toothbrush. You just need to use a brush like this and apply on the chain and rub off your gunk and grease from each link of your chain. I personally prefer going through each link by rubbing the brush on this chain over here. Another way what you can do is just put your brush like this over here and rotate the chain like this. The way of brushing your chain is completely dependent on your personal preference. You can go any way you want. And you might have to repeat the step 2 depending on how much your chain is dirty. I have to repeat the 2 for once again. That is again applying the chain cleaner at a 45-degree angle at a medium pressure. So I'll just repeat the step 2 again and brush up the chain a bit more, and then I'll get back to you. Now after finishing the step 2 again, you can see that all my chain is all black. मेरा कैसेट भी पूरा black हो चुका है. Everything is totally black and slippery. That is because जितना भी अंदर का grease था, all the grease and dirt, it all came out on the chain. And after this I just have to go through the step 3 and wipe off the excess chain cleaner, and I'm done cleaning the chain. And in step 3 what you have to do is take this bottle of chain cleaner, keep it at the 45 degrees as usual, and apply it on the chain with maximum force possible. And when you're doing this, it will just wipe off the grease and dirt which is sticking on the chain, and all the grease and the dirt will fall off from the chain like that. And you can see just by spraying with the high pressure how much clean my chain looks already. And I just have to go to the last step and finish off the cleaning process. And in the last step, all you have to do is take a clean cloth like this. It has to be clean, it has to be dry, and wipe off the chain to remove all the excess degreaser that is totally unnecessary right now. And you can see already कितना सारा gunk निकला हुआ है, all the grease and the oil that is dripping from this place. And you can already see how much shiny the chain already is. थोड़ा सा भी gunk या dirt बचा नहीं है. And now the moment of truth, and you can see how the chain is already shining. And to check, you can see that my hands are totally clean, and if I run my fingers over the links down here, you can see it's totally clean. It's squeaky clean, no grease, no dirt, no gunk. And since the chain is already clean, now it's time for me to use the Loop Lube Arid Dry Finish Lube. For applying the lube, all you have to do is open the bottle, shake it 5 to 6 times so that the contents inside get mixed, because the lubes generally settle down, and just put in the nozzle like this, and similar way keep the lube bottle at 45-degree angle and spray it all over the chain, somewhat like this. And take care while lubing this lube. Do not overuse the lube, because anyways after 2 hours you have to wipe off the excess lube, and you may just end up using more lube than needed, which is loss on your part. After 2 hours, just wipe off the excess lube and your bike is good to go. So that's how the chain cleaner and the lube worked on my chain. As you can see, the chain was totally clean, sparkling and all shiny and stuff. Now let's get into the features of the lube. The brand Loop Lube offers around 3 types of lubes. One is the dry finish, as you have seen me working on my bike. Another is the wet finish, and the third one is the spray. And unlike the regular brands, which the dry and the wet mostly depends on the weather condition or the condition which you are riding in, these lubes are totally different. These are dry finish and wet finish. The dry finish lube offers a mostly dry type of a look. It's smooth like kind of wax, and it is very useful if you are riding in a dusty kind of a surrounding where there are chances that your chain will attract more dust. And for a change, both of the dry and the wet finish lubes are waterproof, so there is not the question of waterproofing over here. You can choose from both of them. If you want your chain more shiny and clean looking, still waterproof, you can go for the dry finish lube, that is this Arid dry finish lube. And if you want a smoother drivetrain, and that will be around 10 to 20% more smoother than the dry finish. So if you want to compromise on the look of the chain, that it may get a bit dirty and you might have to clean your chain every week, you can go for the wet finish. And it is very good specifically for the commuters, because while commuting you might not want to put a bit more effort on the chain, I guess. So the wet finish lube works very well for the commuters and the daily fitness riders. But I personally am a road bike user, so all those road bike users who like their chain to be shiny, silvery or gold, whatever color you might have, so you might go for the dry Arid finish. And then there is this third kind of the lube, that is the sprint lube, which enhances the performance of the chain, that it makes it much more smoother, as well as it also keeps it clean. But the only thing is, it is not water repellent. So if you are riding in a dry condition, as well as if you are into performance cycling and you ride a cycle only for the training and that kind of purpose, you can better go for the sprint as well, where you don't have to worry much about the waterproofing. And now let's get into the Loop Wipe chain cleaner. This is named as Loop Wipe by the brand, because actually Loop Wipe, we are wiping up the chain and cleaning. So the good features about this chain cleaner is it is as big as a good 500 ml, I guess. Yeah, it comes for 500 ml of pack, and it works really well. And one very attractive feature about this chain cleaner is you don't have to use the water for cleaning your chain. I'll be putting a link in the description box below and also in the pinned comment. So if you're ordering from that link, you will be getting a totally free delivery and also a small gift from Loop Lube as well. So go and click on the link down below in the description box and the comment section for ordering, ताकि आपको भी थोड़ा benefit मिल जाए, and you will also receive a small surprise gift from Loop Lube. And with that said, it's getting pretty windy up here and it's getting pretty difficult to shoot. So if any of your friends wants a made in India chain cleaner and chain loop, and also for the half price what is available in the market, so you can share this video with. They work really well as far as the foreign brands that is available in the market. Share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up if you have liked this video. That said, I'll take a go from here. Until next time, हंसते रहो हंसाते रहो, जहाँ भी रहो मुस्कुराते रहो. Goodbye, take care.